What's going on, everyone? Hope you have a great day. So here I'm back on another video. I'm Surojit and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to talk about Azon, another crypto coin that on proof of work based coin that you can mine on your GPU and on ASICs. So this is the network that is Elherium Network. So what is Elherium Network? Elherium is based on proof of work based and decentralized to process a lot of data. This is designed based on high volume transaction and supports the EVM or the virtual machines, which is allowing developers to create applications that can be used as on-chain and off-chain data for with high security. So this is the Elherium network leading the way in hosting application on its network. This is decentralized cryptocurrency blockchain SL in providing smart contract functionality. So this is the statistic that the transaction gas fees and all the related data is on live in there. And this is the setup that if you are going to mine the Elherium network on your GPU and on ASICs, then you need to MetaMask wallet for the transaction. And this is the custom settings that Elherium is provided in their website. You need to put on your MetaMask wallet to create the Elherium network wallet address on MetaMask. So this is the Explorer on Ethereum. So this is the block time, the 12 seconds per block Elherium it's take, and the transaction is there, the total blocks and all the related transaction is provided on there. You can definitely check it on. And one more thing is that the Elherium network, the Twitter account on this area, we can see that the few subscriber in there. So definitely if you are going to mine, you can read all the documents, because I'm not a financial advisor that I can recommend you if you are interested on this network. So you can definitely read all the documents before mining your rigs. So I'm going to use Elherium network to on mining pool that I'm going to use, that's on mining pool stats on Elherium. And I'm going to use this one, that the number one is coolpool.top, but you can definitely, if you are from India, then you can choose on the mining4people.com, or otherwise you can select on others network. This is for the Europe server, so you can, if you are from Europe, then you are going to select on this server or others. Hope you are understand that I'm going to use the coolpool.top. So this is the coolpool.top and I'm using this one, and they recommend this one but for the GPU and ASICs, and this is for the Europe server, but I'm going to choose this one. And one more thing is that you can see that NiceHash is also available in there. So if you are the NiceHash lover to mine, then you can choose this one, and this is support for also NiceHash. And if you are going to choose on the mining4people.com, then you can choose this server and the port is here. Okay. And one more thing, if you are going to use the Windows version, so you can definitely check out on the Windows and the mining software for what's your card, Nvidia or AMD. So you can select on those cards and select your region and your wallet address, and then you can download it from there. So just a example, I just copy on my wallet address and paste on there, and give your worker name and download the config file for the Windows version user. Okay, so now I am going to on my HiveOS account. So you can see that I'm logged in my HiveOS account, and we need to create a wallet address. So we are going to on wallet address, add wallet address, and choose the ELH for the, and you can see that nicer Elhereum is also available in there, but you need to choose on this one. And for the wallet address, I'm choosing the MetaMask wallet address and set the ELH for creating my wallet address. But I'm also using or creating this one, so you can definitely see that this is my Elherium wallet address. And for the flight sheet setting, we need to choose on the ELH, the Elherium wallet address, and pool configure in miner. And you can choose lots of miners in there. You can choose the SRB miner, LOL miner, BZ miner, and lots of miners is available for the Elherium miner, but we are going to choose a SRB miner in there. And I'm going to select on name Elherium. I think that spelling is just a minute. I think it's right now. And Elherium test. Okay, and on configure miner, just you need to put on the ETH hash algorithm. So, and select on wallet, worker name, and on pool server, you can just copy on your pool server. So I'm using the stat pool, so that's why I just paste on this one. And for password, I can choose on X and apply on changes and create flight sheet. So flight sheet is ready. I'm also creating, but this is for you, so that's why I just create on this one. So this is it. And now for the overclock setting, so I'm not getting too much time on this video because it's going too long and you don't watch the full video, so that's why I'm not using. And for the Elherium network, you can choose the memory clocks is a 2000, and power limit you definitely put on the 150 as usual. 100 on fan. And core clocks you just put as a co-offset for 250 or 310 or 15 or 300. Total you can 4 overclock setting you can put on your that what cards you have and how much it can take. So you can definitely try out on this both 4 things, and which is apply and don't crash your cards, you can put on this one. So I select on 250 and save. And if you are going to choose as this one, so you can definitely choose the Elherium. I think not available in there now, so you need to choose direct on there, I think. So this is not available. ETH hash, I don't know, I have no idea about that, so I don't do anything right now. So I just test on there by the fan speed and core offset is there. I'm not using the core locked core clock, but if you are going to try on locked core clocks, then you can choose on 1417 there just for test. But you can definitely try on others locked core clocks how much it can take without crash. So just save on that, and this is it for that. Okay, and for Elherium network, you can choose the exchange wallet for the MetaMask. And for the MetaMask wallet, I just forget about that, how to create the MetaMask wallet about the this one. So just click on that in there, click on right on settings, click on networks, and on there add a network in there, add a network manually, and on network chain name you can put on this one. I give you in the description, just copy on that from there, just Elherium in there, the pool ID is the URL in there. So I already taken on that, so that's why it's not taken, and just for the reference I give you the example. And for chain ID is 2323 and currency symbol is ELH, but don't put on small ELH. It's, I think, it's okay in there. And the optional you can put on this one as the block explorer option, and just save on that. So I already create, so that's why it's not give me the save option. So this is the setting you can see, and copy on that from my description and create your wallet address. And you can see that this is my wallet address I just set on my, and on there just a minute, this is my Ethereum mainnet and this is the Elherium. Just copy on there from there and you got the wallet address, and this is my wallet address that I copy from there. And how you can trade or sell and send your crypto from MetaMask to the exchange wallet. So there is two exchange wallet is available. The first one is bitzonex.com, I think. Okay, bitzonex.com, but I don't recommend right now because I think this is a Chinese based. And you can, but you can definitely try on the zigjex.com. I think this is pronunciation is good, and right now is available on 0.05, but you cannot find it on the coin market cap in there because I think this is the new coin right now, so that's why this is not available in there. And if you are trying on here, you can see this is not available. I think it's available. Okay, so it's available right now as so I don't know, this is not available right now, I think. So, and one more thing, that is some kind of based on Ethereum name base. So if you are going to search on Elherium Network, it's not showing, it's see as a Ethereum, but I'm using our search as before, so that's why this is run on. But if you are using as a Elherium, this is okay. Now it's live. Okay, so when I start and learn about this all the documents, so there is not available. So right now is available on livecoinwatch.com. You can see the price in there is 0.06. okay, and this is the data on the 1 day data. It's pumping right now, so if you are interested, so you can definitely try on that. So this is it in this video, and this is the end of this video, so you can definitely check out and read carefully all the things, and I hope this is good for you. So that's it in this video. So if you are like this video and this is helpful for you, please like and subscribe to my channel and share your opinion. Are you going to start to mine Elherium network, or which coin right now are you mining, or are you mining or not? So definitely you can comment your opinion on this video. So thanks for you guys, this is it, and this is end for this video. And if my videos are helpful for you, so please watch others videos. I hope this would be helpful for you. So that's it, guys. See you in the next one.